Good morning, everyone. Today I want to show you about this meal that I was thinking about taking backpacking or camping in the RV. And I like finding easy ways to make food that are easy to pack out, not too many ingredients. And this is one that's called Just Crack an Egg. And it's by Oneida Potatoes. And it's the protein-packed scramble kit. I've had them before, and they're pretty good. Haven't tried this one, so I thought I'd let you guys know what I think. You just pull off the top here, and then they got all your ingredients. So it comes with cheddar cheese, bacon, and sausage. So you just open each individual packet, dump it into your microwavable bowl. Now, if you had to fry up bacon, and if you had to, get out the shredded cheese and grill up, sausage, that would take quite a while. But this is nice because it's already done. And then the only other ingredient is an egg. And then you mix it up. Oops, drop some. Okay, and then it says stir until blended, microwave on high for 30 seconds, stir, and then microwave again for 40 seconds. So we'll do that now. Okay, so while that's cooking, I wanted to talk about the nutrition facts here. As you can see, prepared with an egg, it's 310 calories. The concerning things, total fat 31%, saturated fat 56%. It's all the bacon, the sausage. Look at the cholesterol, 81%. That's huge. And sodium's 32%. You have 3 more meals a day, or 2 more meals a day to get in whatever snacks you want. So I wouldn't be eating this all the time, for sure, but I just wanted you to be aware of some of those nutritional facts. All right, there's the 30 seconds. See what it looks like. It's starting to kind of come together around the edges. Mix it up. And now, let's do another 40 seconds. We'll be back. Okay. So this is after the 40 seconds. And yeah, it's come together. Stir it up again to make it fluffy, fluff it up a bit. It smells really good. I can smell that bacon. I did wash my fork before the last stir here. Okay, let's give it a shot. Right off the bat, I can taste that the cheese and the bacon and sausage. There's a lot of bacon, sausage, and cheese to egg ratio. Some of the other ones I've had, it felt like the egg played a more prominent role, but this, I get a lot of bacon sausage, which isn't a bad thing. Yeah, it's really good. I would definitely enjoy this if I was camping, hiking. Now, I'll put on the screen here how much these are. I forget how much they were, but again, Just Crack an Egg by Oneida. Pretty good. Give them a try.